Hi friends, let's check the job vacancies in the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, that is NIPER Ahmedabad. Employment notification number NIPER A15 2020. The commencement date and the last date for submission of applications. You can check this online application is 29th August 2020, that is commencement date. Last date of the online application and the payment of fee is 18th September 2020. This is direct recruitment. That is, no exam will be conducted, directly recruited if you are having the following qualifications. Last date of the receipt of hard copy of the online application is 5th October 2020. For receiving hard copies only, online application within 18th September 2020, it has to be reached. Details of faculty posts, that is pharmaceutical analysis, pharmaceutics, natural products, pharmaceutical management. For the first one is one vacancy is there. Second one, two vacancies are there. For the third, natural products, one vacancy is there. For the pharmaceutical management, two vacancies are there. For the post of the both assistant professor and the assistant professor, pay level 12 and 13. Let's check the number one. This is on the third and the fourth one is relevant for you. I am reading this also. Name of the post is assistant professor. Less than 40 years is direct recruits, PhD with the first class qualification, minimum 5 years experience in the teaching or the research or the industrial experience. Educational and other qualifications required for this is desirable in the method of development and the validation. Period of probation is 1 year. Now let's check another one. Department of Pharmaceutics. Name of the post is assistant professor, not exceeding 40 years. Okay. Direct recruits, PhD, same as above job. 5 years experience in the teaching, research, etc. Educational qualifications required for the direct recruitment. Okay. Period of probation is 1 year for this also. Next, the third one and the fourth one, which are relevant for us. CA and ICWA or MBA Finance can apply for this job. Let's check that one also. Yes, we can check here. Department is Pharmaceutical Management, Associate Professor, and the direct recruit. Less than 45 years candidates can apply. Candidates with a PhD or relevant equivalent Masters MBA, that is MBA, PGDM, CA or ICWA or MCOM candidates. Once again, I am telling the BCom, MCom candidates, CA candidates, ICWA candidates, MBA candidates, and the PGDM candidates can apply for this job. Minimum 8 years experience for the associate professor. 1 UR, that is name of the post. For this job, minimum 8 years experience needed in the teaching or the research or the industrial experience. Desirable experiences preference will be given, having strong record of the relevant publications. Next, name of the post is assistant professor, 1 year. Less than 40 years candidates can apply for this job. Direct recruitment this job also. The candidates with the PhD or the equivalent in the MBA or the PGDM or CA or ICWA or MCOM candidates can apply for this job. Minimum 5 years experience candidates can apply for this job. These two are relevant for us. Associate professor and associate professor, the candidates for the MBA, MCOM, CA, ICWA candidates can apply. Period of probation is 1 year. And this is also not relevant for us. Just I am reading. PhD candidates less than 40 years. Minimum 5 years experience can apply for this job. General instructions, let's check them. Online applications on the hard copy shall be reached to them before 5th October 2020. Only online applications with the required upload enclosures will be accepted. Hard copy, application on or before 5th October 2020. And the envelope should be superscribed. That means in the envelope you have to write this address: Registrar, National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, that is NIPER, Ahmedabad, Palaj, opposite to Air Force Station, Gandhinagar, 382355, Gujarat, India. The experience for the faculty post will be considered by excluding the experience gained. Online application with the false or wrong information will be rejected. Next, application once submitted cannot be altered after submitting. Application may be only sent through the online prescribed format in the NIPER A website. I will give the application format for you below the video description. You can apply from there. No updating of the qualification and the experience will be entertained of the last date of the sending the application. The institute will not be responsible for any postal delay. In case of any inadvertent mistake in the process of selection may be detected, the institute reserves the right to modify or cancel communication made to applicants. Where there are no posts under reservation categories, such candidates can apply. Next, check that one. And remaining all qualifications, you can check that one. No objection certificate shall also be produced. And all other documents for the verification you have to send. Canvassing in any other mode will disqualify. The institute reserves the right to withdraw or cancel this advertisement at any time. Okay. Candidates' admission to the presentation of the interview and the subsequent process is strictly provisional. There may be fact that the call letters has been issued to the candidate does not imply. Next, applicant have to pay the non-refundable fee, that is 1,000 or pay level 8. Next, check all the instructions as next format for the candidate of the SC and SC certificate. This is format only for the SC or ST. And we will see all the details over there and fill the details for the SC and ST candidates. That is only format for SC and ST. Now we will check the format of the criteria to be produced for OBC candidates to post under the Government of India. This is Annexure 2 for the OBC candidates. OBC candidates has to fill, that is other backward classes. And we will see other format also. Annexure 2, income and asset certificates to be produced by the economically weaker sections, that is income less than 8 lakhs per year. Okay, let's check. Subscribe to this channel for the more job updates. And we will see another format also. After this, fill all the details. Next, we will see the another format. Certificate of the disability for the candidates of the disability in case of the amputation or the complete permanent paralysis. This will apply. And we will see certificate of disability in case of multiple disabilities. That means 3, 4 or many. See that one, disability, and you have to sign. You have to fill all the details regarding it. Certificate of Awareness Form 7. Certificate of disability other than mentioned in 5 and 7. Okay, fill all the details in this form. Form of certificate for serving defense personnel, Annexure 5. Okay, next, employer certificate or recommendation, fill all the details, Annexure 6. Thank you, friends. Subscribe to this channel for the more job updates and ICAI official announcements and the technical updates and tax updates. Thank you.